Hello friends, welcome to my programming channel. In this video, we'll learn how to create user-defined methods in Java. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want more videos on the programming, you can do write in the comments. So let's start our program. So have to make a user-defined methods. We will be creating a method for finding the sum of the two numbers, or simply just we'll make a method for displaying a pattern. So let's start. So just I'm importing the util package if in case we need to use the scanner class in our program. So just I've imported it. Now I'm creating a class. So my so just I'm writing it program one. Okay, you can give any name as per your choice. So in order to create a method in Java, user defined method, first of all we have to specify. So I am writing here public. This public means our method will be public. After that I am writing void public void. Then suppose I have to make pattern, so I am writing pattern. So let me write it first int num. So let me complete the method, then I will explain to you. Okay, for int I equal to 1, I is less than 15, i plus plus, and here we'll be simply printing. So well, let me make one. I have to use the nested loop, so I'm just using the second loop. So here it will be I, then j plus plus, and after that I need to specify this, yeah, system.out.println, and here just it's heart symbol I need, and this is not record, only print is needed here. So after that now I need to go in the next line, system.out.println, this will make my program to go in the next line. So let's try to understand this public void pattern int num. So this public is access specifier. It means that our method will be publicly, it can be used from anywhere, it has a public accessible. So and void, it means that it will not return any value, it means we will not use the return keyword in our function. And pattern is the name of the method, and here our method is taking an argument, that is num. So a parameter is also there. So this is our parameterized method, and inside the method the method block is starting, and just we are using the two loops, that is nested loop, for displaying a pattern of hearts. Okay, and again here our just at this place our pattern method is ending. Okay, so this first line public void pattern in bracket int num, this is called the method signature, or you can say the method header. And this curly bracket part, this starting part and part, these parts are the blocks or the body of the methods or functions. Okay, so this method signature is specifically used to identify our methods. Okay, so now in order to call our method in the main method, first of all we have to create the main method, and inside main we have to call the function. Since our function is an instance, since our function is an instance method, instance function or instance method, so we need to create the object of our class in order to use it. The name of the class is program one. So program one p equal to new program one. This is a way we use to create a object in the class, and especially this new keyword. Okay, now in order to call this we have to use the variable p dot pattern. Okay, so p dot p pattern, and we have to specify some number. Suppose I am just giving it 15, so I need to change it here also. Here I should make it n. num. Okay, so this is how we used to call p dot pattern. This is how we used to call our instance method. So let me run the program in order to see the correct in order to see the output. So now program is running. So you can see, as we have already displayed the hearts design, so it is working based on a number. Suppose if we I'm entering just 10, so it will print the 10 hearts. 10 hearts will be seen, so you can see 10 rows. And okay, so I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and if you learned something, that how to make patterns, how to create user defined methods in Java, then do subscribe to our channel. And if you want more videos on Java and C++, write in the comments, and I will surely try to make programs for you all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.